Do you ever feel like your day is too short? Do you go to bed feeling like you didn't do anything important? Many people feel this way. They are busy, but they are not productive. They run all day, but they don't reach their goals. Today, we are going to learn a secret. It is not a secret about magic, it is a secret about time. Time is the most important thing you have. You cannot buy more time. You cannot save time in a box. You can only choose how to use it. If you learn how to organize your time, you can change your life. You can learn English faster. You can be better at your job. You can spend more time with your family. Welcome to StoryWise. This is your place to learn English through stories and lessons about life. Today's lesson is very important for every student and every professional. We are talking about how to organize your time. Please listen carefully. I will use simple words. This will help your English and your life. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let's begin. Let's think about two people. One is named Sam and the other is named Anna. Sam wakes up late. He looks at his phone for 1 hour. He drinks coffee and thinks, what should I do today? He starts one task, then he stops. He looks at social media. He talks to a friend. At the end of the day, Sam is tired. But he did not finish his work. He feels stressed. Now, look at Anna. Anna has a plan. She knows what is important. She wakes up and starts her most important work. She does not look at her phone. She works for 2 hours, then she takes a break. At the end of the day, Anna is also tired, but she is happy. She finished her goals. What is the difference? The difference is organization. Time organization is like a map. If you have a map, you know where to go. If you don't have a map, you get lost. Many people think organizing time is difficult. They think it is only for rich people or smart people. This is not true. Organizing time is a skill. You can learn it. Just like you are learning English right now, you can learn to manage your hours. The first step is very simple. You need a to-do list. What is a to-do list? It is a piece of paper or an app where you write your tasks. Why is this powerful? Because your brain is for thinking, not for remembering. When you have many things in your head, you feel heavy. You feel worried. Did I forget to call my mom? Did I forget the English homework? When you write it down, your brain feels light. You can focus, but be careful. Don't write 50 things on your list. If the list is too long, you will feel afraid. You will not start. A good list for an A2 student should have 3 to 5 important things. Write your list the night before you sleep. Write. Study English for 30 minutes. Go to the supermarket. Finish the report for work. When you wake up, you don't need to think. You just look at the list and start. This saves your energy. This is a very big lesson. Not everything is important. Some things are urgent. Urgent means you must do it now. For example, the phone is ringing. That is urgent. But is it important? Maybe not. Maybe it is a salesperson. Important things are things that help your future. Studying English is important. Exercising is important. Spending time with your children is important. The problem is that we spend all our time on urgent things that are not important. We answer every email. We check every notification. We spend the whole day putting out fires. At the end of the week, we didn't do the important things. To organize your time, you must say no. This is a hard word. No to distractions. No to people who waste your time. If you say yes to everything, you are saying no to your dreams. Lesson 3, the Pomodoro Technique. How do you focus? It is hard to focus for 5 hours. Our brains get tired. There is a famous method called the Pomodoro Technique. Pomodoro is the Italian word for tomato. A man used a kitchen timer that looked like a tomato. The rule is simple. Choose a task, set a timer for 25 minutes. Work only on that task. Do not look at your phone. Do not get water. Just work. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a long break. Why does this work? Because 25 minutes is short. You can do anything for 25 minutes. It helps you start. Starting is the hardest part of organizing time. Once you start, it becomes easy. Lesson 4, the deep work concept. We live in a world of noise. There are notifications every minute. This is the enemy of organization. To truly achieve big things, you need deep work. Deep work is when you focus 100% on a difficult task. No music with words, no phone, no people talking to you. If you study English for 1 hour with deep work, it is better than studying for 5 hours while watching TV. If you want to organize your life, you must find a quiet time. Maybe it is early in the morning. Maybe it is late at night. Find 60 minutes where the world cannot find you. This is your time for growth. Lesson 5, stop procrastinating. Procrastination is a big word. It means I will do it tomorrow. We all do this. We have a difficult task, so we say, I will clean my room first, or I will check the news first. Why do we procrastinate? Because we are afraid. We think the task is too big. Here is a trick, the 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I will only do this task for 5 minutes. If I want to stop after 5 minutes, I can. Usually, after 5 minutes, you will want to continue. The brain just needs to break the ice. Organizing your time means fighting this feeling every day. Discipline is doing what you need to do, even when you don't want to do it. Lesson 6, the importance of rest. You are not a machine. A machine can work 24 hours. You cannot. Some people think organizing time means working every second. That is wrong. If you don't sleep, you cannot focus. If you don't eat well, you don't have energy. Part of your organization must be rest. Write rest on your list. Go for a walk, listen to music, look at the trees. When you rest, your brain organizes information. This is why you often get good ideas in the shower. Your brain is finally relaxed. If you want to be productive for 10 years, you must take care of yourself. Time management is not about doing more work. It is about doing the right work and staying healthy. Let's review what we learned today. First, make a list. Use a piece of paper. Write it at night. Second, know what is important. Don't just do urgent things. Third, use the Pomodoro Technique. 25 minutes of work, 5 minutes of rest. Fourth, find time for deep work. Fifth, use the 5-minute rule to start. And finally, remember to rest. Organizing your time is a journey. You will not be perfect on day 1. That is okay. If you fail today, try again tomorrow. Each day is a new chance. If you learn to control your time, you will control your life. You will become the person you want to be. Thank you for watching this video on StoryWise. I hope this was helpful for your English and your personal growth. If you like this style of learning, please leave a comment. Tell me, what is your biggest problem with time? Do you look at your phone too much? Let's talk in the comments. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember your time is your life. Use it well. Goodbye.